Long ago, the All-Father Odin united the worlds. He threw down his foes and cast them into the 10th world, then split the boughs that held the prison to the world tree and led it to drift unanchored, a place of exile. For centuries, this world slumbered uneasily, but it did not die. As glacial ages passed, its kingdoms rose and fell out of the sight of the gods. When Odin heard his enemies were growing once again in strength, he looked to Midgard and sent his Valkyries to scour the battlefields with the greatest of their warriors. Dead to the world, they would be born again, in Valheim. Welcome to the 10th World Warrior. I am Fusion, sent here to guide you in your travels. The Meglyphs surrounding you are the sacrificial stones. They represent the Forsaken, which you must slay in order to ascend to Valhalla. Okay. I'm the Theworstestgamer, and welcome to Valheim. Now, a lot of people have been saying this is a survival game, but it's not your typical survival game. It seems to actually have a quest line to it. Also, my character is dripping water. I guess because it's raining right now? I don't know. Wow. I guess that's the world tree up there. These magical stones were scattered throughout the lands by Odin as signposts pointing towards the ritual grounds of the Forsaken. If inspected closer, this one will reveal summoning place of Akithia, your first prey. He is a mighty beast, so you need to properly arm yourself before even attempting to defeat him. Alright. Okay, they just gave me a bunch of new items. That's pretty easy. Huh. Wonder how you dry yourself off. I mean, I'm guessing it probably has involved somehow making a fire, but... Message logs. Okay. Hey, there's something over here. What are you? Oh, you're the crow. Okay. Take stock of your inventory. Most items must be crafted. However, due to your recent departure from Midgard, you have to recall the true shape of objects. Just pick things up and it will all come back to you, I'm sure. My lesser brother Moonin tells me one can fashion a stone axe out of wood and stone. Oh, I would have never guessed that. How could I have ever figured that out? Silly bird. Oh, raspberries. Oh, hi. You must be the brother. You found a snack, assuming to improve your health and stamina. Beware that before long you grow hungry again, so always try to have at least a couple of different meals ready. Okay. I hope it wasn't a bad thing that I just ate that. I could have sworn I got a couple of them too. How come I only have one? Oh, here it is. You cannot eat more raspberries. Good to know. I think I'm gonna have to do some setting optimizations here. What am I attacking? Why am I attacking? Okay. I didn't see anything I was supposed to be attacking though. You're just running from me. I can't see you. I guess I'm not fighting you. Hey, Flint. Didn't give me any recipes, though. Yeah, I mean, this game does not exactly run that smoothly, but it is still early access, too, so... I wonder what else I can grab around here. Also, I guess my character isn't, like, wet anymore. Oh. Do I want to go in here? Is it safe? Huh. It's not letting me sleep in the bed, though. Pick you? I can. Come here, bird. Bird ran. Oh, the bird ran away. Because birds can run. That's what they do. Oh, shoot! I was not expecting that. Okay. I'm duking it out with the spore. Wow. Okay, raw material. Nice. That was overly violent. Oh, I can punch the tree too. Thought I'd get more wood. Okay then. We went back to the Minecraft days and we're back to punching trees now. I still need to fell more tree though. This is improving my unarmed skill. Can I just basically be a monk? Oh. Wait, where'd the branches go? I didn't get any wood from that? Oh. Oh, that's a big old zero. No, what are you? I don't like you. Why are you chasing me? He just exploded. Okay. How did that only give me 1 wood? Oh wait, I can make the axe now. Alright! How do I equip it? Alright. Now I can really get chopping. Too hard? Okay. That's the way to get it done. I like how you don't actually have to pick up the wood. It pops into your inventory. Think I can chop down this one? Oh, I can. Oh, is that gonna fall on me? Oh, what is that doing? Wait, did I get the wood from that? Okay, so that tree's just stuck up there in the other tree. That's a thing. Well, I think I'm ready to go slay this, this mighty creature now. If I can, just figure out what direction he's in. Oh, he's over that way somewhere. Can I get over there? Wait, am I trapped on an island? There's some more boars. Why is it proving my jumping a thing, too? Hey, I got an axe now. Don't mess with me. Why are you not swinging? There we go. I don't exactly know how to get over to that thing, so I'm gonna try to swim. Can I swim? Am I gonna swim or am I gonna drown? Okay, swimming is a thing. How much of a thing is it, though? Because my stamina bar is going down really quickly. Oh, okay. So I cannot swim over there. Not really sure how I'm supposed to get off this island. Well, that's kind of the introduction to Valheim. We're gonna figure it out next time. Maybe I can, okay, I cannot chop the rock. Crafting menu with the left click. Or right click, sorry. Can't seem to really do much else with the hammer. Uh-huh. Well, oh, need more stone. Station? Oh, I can make that. Oh, there's the bird! Okay. He's here to give me more advice. Okay, so I make the workbench, lets me make other things. Got it. Probably should have wasted my items on the other thing, then. Oh wait, no, I just need more wood, and I can make it. But yeah, we're going to leave that off here. This is the introduction to Valheim. And yeah, if you guys are interested in the series and turning this into the whole thing, let me know. In the future, I'm going to try to skip out a lot of the general, like, material gathering parts of this. And I'm just going to try to stick to the crafting interesting things, killing interesting things, and exploring interesting things. I need to make that club, though. I don't know what it is. Sometimes it doesn't want to swing. I'm dying. Please stop. Okay. Alright, we're going to continue that off next time. I'm lost. I just know this tent's here. This tent will keep me safe. Alright, I'm Theworstestgamer, and that was Valheim. If you enjoyed the video, give that like button a slap, and subscribe to see new content as it comes out. Y'all have a great day. Bye now.